So for reference, what you've got is the big cruise ships come in there and then everybody walks along the front. But what we prefer to do is walk in the trees the other side of the road. And in the summer, of course, you get some nice shade because you've got in the shade in there or along this pathway here that goes for a long, long way. And the game plan is to enjoy the parakeets, enjoy the plants and the trees, and get to the other side, and then we're going to cross over to the beach. Okay, we've been coming here for years. Lynn found this how many years ago? 10 years ago?
Oh God, yeah, must be.
15 years ago? A long time ago. And although it's February today, hence not a lot of leaves on the trees, but it's one of my favourite walks. It's just somewhere nice to come.
I think it's
out to the
passage
sun.
to Spania or something.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, these little plants here, I wonder what they are. I've seen them in the UK in like pots outside pubs.
Oh, it's a different one.
Yeah, but not as good as that, obviously. Yeah, got all the buses, loads of buses, taxis, everything you want to do. And we've been around the fish market this morning, and we found that place where they do the hot meat and there's bats, didn't we?
Pork, isn't it?
Yeah. Big queue of Americans there, waiting. So we might do that another, but there's nowhere to actually sit and eat it. You have a takeaway, don't you? Which wasn't what we wanted to do. So anyway, we're walking down here because we want to go to the beach because it's sunny.
Yes.
And we don't get sunshine in February where we live. And if we can get fish on the beach, that's a huge bonus because again, that's something we can't do at home. We had planned to go out to lunch somewhere else, but we're not going to say no to this sunshine. Even if it's just the sardines on the beach. That's what we're going to target. And I'm going to pass the camera over to Mrs.H to prove that I am actually here. I do exist.
You do exist, don't you?
It was cold this morning at breakfast.
I know.
Keep coming.
We've been back to the hotel to get our jumpers, haven't we?
Yeah, and now I'm going to be hot again. Keep walking. But the joke was, I mentioned about breakfast, the second breakfast about 10ish. I love it because you've got all the guys in their suits, you've got all the council workers, you've got all the cleaners, you've got all the delivery guys, everybody in there together. Keep walking. And, you're having your toast with your olive oil and tomato and your cottada. And it's just really, really nice. And you can have a full English anytime, can't you? But to do that in Andalusia is lovely. And I do like the mix of it, everyone in there together and the hustle and bustle of it. Try a coffee cottada for a change. It's their way of doing mix of coffee, isn't it? But it's a Spanish way. Yeah. Oh, of course, we had the vermouth last night. Keep coming.
Yeah, we did.
And
we're suffering for it this morning.
yeah, well, we thought we'd lost La Pecha. They'd sold out and bought bigger premises, but they've reopened. Not reopened, but they kept the small one open again, haven't they?
Yeah.
And it was lovely. A pretty cool time at 11 o'clock at night.
I know.
Which we've never had because we were late getting in because the flight was late because the ice on the aeroplane in the morning had to de-ice it. And so thought, chances are Mess and Iberica can never get in there, but we did because they were closing. And I said, can we just come in quick? Oh, all right then, he said. So we managed to get the anchovies and the Albarino white wine. I had the Ribera de Douro red wine and some beautiful cheese, which I've still got in my pocket actually. Everybody carries a nice bit of hard cheese from the night before. Yeah, cheese grommets. But when you're on the bus and you're thinking for something. And anyway, had this cheese, small tapas, only €4. Normally they want to do a big platter. Who wants a big platter of cheese? Casa. Anyway, the joke is, Lynn hadn't finished her white wine. I said, go on then, I'll finish it. The Albarino white wine with cheese? I don't think so. Nah, it was fabulous. So that's my new recommendation. Who would have ever thought?
Albarino and...
Albarino white wine and hard goat sheep's cheese. Well. Show you these, the bird of paradise plants here. Can you see them coming out? Now I've got one of these at home. Can I get it to flower? No.
No, we haven't got
Had
the
it for
way
years and it just looks like awful.
Yeah.
But we just haven't got the sunshine in the back home, no matter what I do with it. So, don't know if you can hear the parakeets.
Can you hear them? Yeah.
Can you hear them in the background?
Should we go into the trees a bit more
Yeah.
to see them?
And the bullies, they kick their pigeons out. Yeah, I think what we'll do, we'll walk into the shade and we'll perhaps do some filming in there. Just for reference only, we've come through the trees, we've cut across the road. That's where most people walk, along the prom there, the harbour there. And of course it goes up the other side, there's loads of sort of theme bars along there. We're not going to go there. You see the glass, coloured glass, that's the museum. Cut through that gap between those buildings there, and that's the big beach we're heading for. Okay, so keep on, use that as a marker, that different coloured glass, and cut through that gap I'm pointing in front of me. Can you see? Go through there to the beach, and that's where they cook the fish on the beach. So there we are. Here's one of the Chiringuitos. There's loads of them along the coast here, the Costa del Sol, and of course what they're famous for, as you all know, is cooking the fish on the beach. What you do, you have the sardines on the stick there to start, on that metal spike, and then you have a sea bass or a sea bream or a red snapper, one each or to share depending on how much money you want to spend, cooked over the olive wood on the beach. Nice white Albarino white wine or a cold beer or both, and spend the afternoon. And this is probably one of my favourite things in the world. Very simple, beautiful.